Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable and customize your head-up display on the XPeng car. So I am using the XPeng P7 Plus Performance. Now, if you want to enable and customize your head-up display, you need to go to the vehicle settings. Now you need to go over into the display, and here we have the HUD. So it's not called the head-up display here. It's basically the HUD, but head-up display. So basically, that's the full meaning. If you click on it, you should see in front of you that everything's loading up. Here we can adjust the brightness, so we can adjust it. We can adjust the brightness easily. Also, we can scroll to adjust the brightness. Sometimes I really like to have it on the maximum setting because you can see everything, and also the head up is not something that will distract you during the road. And depends on the driver, of course. So here you can have your fun with the head up. Of course, you can change the angle, you can change the height, you can change the brightness and everything. So here you guys can do it. And once you enable it, you can see the display mode. So this is the map mode. This is what I have right now. I see the entire map and also the navigation, the hour, and my range. Here I can see the perception mode. So I only see the car and I only see the um, navigation on the right and also the range. You can see it here. And the basic mode, the normal one, is pretty basic. That's why I'm not using it. For me, the best mode is the map mode because you can see the map entirely. And here you can also enable snow mode. Now every single white thing will turn yellow. So, well, yellow, I see yellow, it says orange in the settings, pretty much the same because it wants to attenuate the snow ground. So that's how you guys can have fun with your head-up display. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.